Before you start, here's a quick overview of what this course covers. This course is designed for marketers, content creators, filmmakers, and anyone who wants to use the FreePick tools in a practical way. It's made up of short episodes, each around 3 to 5 minutes covering one or just a few topics. You can jump directly to a specific episode, or watch everything in order from start to finish. The course is made up of lessons that groups episodes. For example, navigation and image generation. We begin with a brief orientation, so you understand the layout of the tools, the sidebar, projects, and where each tool is located. Then we focus on image creation. You'll learn how to write prompts, use style, character, and object references, create consistent products, and refine results using the image editor, including retouching, resizing, background changes, upscaling, and style transfer. Next, we move into video generation. You'll learn how video models work, how to write prompts that describe motion, and how to control results using start images, end images, and different types of references. After that, we cover audio tools, generating music, voiceovers, and sound effects. We finish with templates, showing how to reuse setups and build faster workflows across image, video, and audio. By the end of the course, you'll know how to use the full AI suite. If you want more training, take a look at other courses or tutorials in FreePick Academy. And a final note. Because the tools develop quickly, you might find that screen recordings don't match the UI perfectly. But this should not affect your workflow. This course is your starting point for exploring and using all the tools available in FreePick.